What's up, beauties? With summer being here, I'm going to be sharing with you my everyday simple go-to sweat-proof makeup look. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I've already gone ahead to moisturize and apply my sunscreen. I didn't use a primer because my SPF can also be used as a primer. So the next thing, I've also gone ahead to do my brows. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to use the NYX Wonder Stick highlight and contour to try to cover my dark spots. I actually bought the wrong shade, guys, so I've been using the contour stick as some kind of like a color corrector. It easily covers my dark spots, and that's what I've been using basically since summer started, and it does wonders. Honestly, it does wonders. I have no complaints about this product whatsoever. So if you have my skin tone, you can actually purchase it and use it as, if you have dark spots, basically you can actually purchase it and use it as your color corrector. Then I'm going to go above that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder just to set everything in place, so that once I go in with other products, they don't end up moving around. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm using the SheGlam hydrating foundation. This foundation is of medium coverage foundation. It is a very lightweight foundation as well. It doesn't clog the pores. You barely know that you applied anything on your skin basically. And after doing that, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm going to put all of this product down in the description box. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my bronzer, and I'm using the e.l.f. Putty bronzer in the shade Bronzed Belle. This bronzer, I love it. I've always used it. I don't know if you've been watching my videos, you know that I use this bronzer all the time. This is the bronzer that I love, and I just use it to like sculpt my face to bring back that warmth, that bronzy look to my face. Then I just learned this new trick, guys, and that is from Instagram, to use a pressed powder under the eyes first and then go over it with my translucent powder, and this gives you like the smoothest finish ever, and it doesn't move. It stays in place, guys. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my NYX matte bronzer just to also bring out the warmth even more on my face. And after doing that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara, and I'll be using the Essence mascara. This mascara is not waterproof, but it is it is voluminous. It gives you that volume, but it's not waterproof. So next time I'm going to try and use a waterproof. And then I'm going to go in with this Milani bronzer. It has shimmer in it, and I like it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use the e.l.f. setting spray to set my makeup in place. And for my lip, I used the Anastasia brow definer just to outline my lip. Then I went in with the SheGlam blush, because this does not actually work on my skin. Like the shade doesn't work on my skin, so I used it for my lip. And then I applied my lip oil also from SheGlam. And that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.